Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the most important thing to do when you get into the real estate business. And you'll be surprised, it's not branding, it's not marketing, it's actually working on your business instead of in your business regarding what you do to get paid. So stay tuned and we'll jump in. Hey everybody, Jeremy Kane, Realtor Playbook here, helping you win at the game of real estate every single day. If you like what you hear, smash that subscribe button for me. Give me a like, a comment. As always, if you are interested in diving in to your exact business and helping you win at the game of business, please book a private call with me. I would love to talk with you for half an hour on Zoom and just discuss how you can take your business to the next level and win more at the game of real estate. All right, here it is. You're a brand new agent, or you're an agent that feels like you need to, up your business or whatever that may be. And the first thing you think about is your logo, your colors, all of this stuff that doesn't matter if you can't do the one thing that gets you paid. And the one thing that gets you paid is writing a good contract, getting your clients under contract so that they can purchase their home, or selling a house and convincing a seller to list with you, which also involves a lot of contract stuff. So the honest truth is, most of your time early on in the business, not all of it, you can still kind of do the marketing and reach out and touches and conversations, but you need to know the contracts inside and out. You need to know the different things that might come up. You need to know how to show a house. You need to know how to find your niche, because it's such a big deal right now to find that niche. And that doesn't mean that that's the only houses you can sell. But if you go to trainings and learn different things, maybe probate or absentee calling, or there's so many different ways, cold calling, FSBOs, there's so many traditional ways to build your business that if you can kind of get a holistic view, and in the early days when you have those, 4 or 5 hour blocks where you don't know what to do, it needs to be education. It needs to be understanding what you got to do to get paid. And so absolutely take those contract classes, take those new crypto classes or whatever that may be to learn, because writing a contract is an art. If I write a contract, people say, oh, that's a well-written contract. And it's not like I go through it every single time and check every box. I have templates and things of that nature. But if you are able to go through the contract, explain every single paragraph in that contract, because you will get a question no matter what, and maybe from the most surprising source, what does that mean? And if you can answer that and you can demonstrate professionalism to that client, they're more likely to share your name. They're more likely to feel comfortable moving forward with an offer, and so on. So even if, you're in the middle of a city and the well rights or water rights paragraph is being taught, pay attention, because one day that might come up. It may come up. There's wells in the city, believe it or not. So if you're able to explain the contract to your client, they feel more comfortable, they feel more at ease. And even those paragraphs that you don't even think will ever come up, pay attention, know them. And then the dates and deadlines are super key. Right now with the competitive market, we're kind of playing with those a little bit. All of a sudden an average close is like 17 days versus 30 to 45. So understand how those dates work in conjunction with each other, not just have your cheat sheet that shows when they should be, because that cheat sheet was written in a different market. So all of these things, every brokerage has contracts training. Make sure you go. If yours doesn't, you might want to look for a different brokerage. I know at EXP we have a weekly contracts class. We have a weekly state meeting to kind of really stay in touch. And it's not all education credit based. Like, we do have continuing education requirements in Colorado. However, the most training and the best things for my business have come from the non-CE credits. Obviously still take your CE credits, those are required, but also dive into those contracts, dive into what's going on, dive into that next trend, because you never know when you're going to find something. And then once you find something, you can maybe build your brand through that. And that's obviously a more stable brand, a more successful brand, when you actually have a story to tell. What clients you would, if you had a choice, if you could work with 100 of these clients, maybe it's elderly, maybe it's first-time home buyer, maybe it's whatever it may be, if you have all the tools in your tool belt to help that specific group because you've gone to the training, you put in the time, you build your brand around that, and then your brand sticks and it lasts longer. You don't change your logo every 2 seconds. You don't change your colors every 2 seconds, because honestly, that's that's a little part of the business that everyone focuses on. Oh, I got in real estate, I need my logo. No, you got in real estate, you need to know how to sell real estate. You need to know how to represent yourself professionally in a manner that will make your clients believe in you. So take those education classes. That's all I got to say for that. A little bit shorter today. Jeremy Kane, Realtor Playbook. Let me know if you have any questions. You need help finding education classes. At EXP, we have over 50 hours of training done by the Icon agents, people that are actively producing in the market with all kinds of different ideas to absolutely help you crush it at real estate. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.